OfferingTree now provides several plans to choose from to suit your needs. Once you've logged into the back end of your OfferingTree site, you can go under Accounts and then Subscriptions to see the various plans that are available. Right now, OfferingTree has two plans, the Gift Plan and the Public Benefit Plan. The Gift Plan is freely offered to you to support your activities, and the intention is that you'll be able to gift it forward by supporting your local community. And within this plan, OfferingTree offers a whole comprehensive set of features to help you be able to teach more and tech less. This is the default plan, so that when you sign up for OfferingTree, everything that's provided is free, except for if you choose to accept payments, in which case there are the standard credit card processing fees, which OfferingTree is not able to waive. But everything else under the gift plan is freely offered. If you'd like to unlock additional features, and you can always identify these additional features by looking in your left-hand navigation and seeing the little green dots, those indicate which of the features are part of the public benefit plan. These additional features allow you to unlock a lot more customization, as well as enhanced communication features, and even some customizing options such as purchasing your own custom domain name. Under this plan, we ask that you join us as a subscriber, and there's a monthly fee to subscribe to this public benefit plan, and your subscription helps us to continue to develop the technology to support you, and we know that our tech is helping you to teach, so together we're in this shared space of furthering wellness for all. And that's why we call it the public benefit plan, because it really is a collective endeavor. Just as we are developing the technology, you are actually out there providing these different opportunities and access points for wellness for all kinds of community and all kinds of different people. So if you'd like to upgrade to the public benefit plan to unlock these additional features, then you can go ahead and hit upgrade. And at this point, it'll ask you to fill out a form that will include all of the various payment options, credit card information that you'll need to subscribe to this public benefit plan. Once this is active, if this is the first time that you've ever subscribed to the public benefit plan, your first month there'll be no charge. Again, it's our way of giving you a small gift in trying out the public benefit plan. There's also no commitment, so you can cancel your subscription at any time if you decide that you're just not using these additional features. We hope that with these additional features that we can grow together, so that as we develop new options and new technologies, you'll want to use them, and then you'll want to subscribe to them to help support us to develop additional technologies. So with this, again, we're trying to create this mutuality, which is part of our mission as a public benefit corporation. So we look forward to seeing everything that you have to offer.